Hello and welcome back to another video. In this problem, we're asked which of the following is equivalent to 3 times x plus 5 minus 6. So if you just rewrite this right here, the first step we're going to want to do is get rid of the parentheses. Right? That's always going to be your first step. If there are any parentheses, you want to get rid of them. And what we have to do here is we have to distribute this 3. So you have to multiply 3 by x plus 3 by 5. So 3 times x is just 3x. And then we add 3 times 5, which is 15. Now we've gotten rid of the parentheses, and you have to remember the minus 6 at the end. Now we have 3x plus 15 minus 6. So we want to combine like terms. There's only one term with x in it, so 3x gets to stay on its own. And then we have two constants, so we just add those. So you have plus 15 minus 6 is going to be plus 9. 15 minus 6 is 9. And your final answer is going to be 3x plus 9, which means that C is going to be your final answer. As always, thank you for liking and subscribing, and I'll see you in the next video.